Welcome to the amazing video series Rebuilding Jordan Taylor Davis. This is day 3, and today hit hard, y'all. I woke up and I just realized I'm so grateful for who I am, and I had been fighting myself, y'all. I was in my way for a very long time. But yeah, today I woke up like feeling like wow, just realizing the way I act, um, my reflexes, my reactions, my strategy. I really am in the 1 to 5%. Nobody's doing what I'm doing, and I'm grateful that I had the mindset to start documenting this. Today, the actions I'll be taking are the grind mind funnel. Um, yeah, I'm gonna optimize the grind mind funnel for DMs and cold outreach. And today I'll share some of the anchor clips for Blacklight Visions. I made some last week. I made 2 batches. I made 40 videos. I'll share some of them, but I need to make another set of 20 videos and schedule them. I don't have anything scheduled, but Blacklight Visions is in the best position possible. We're pre-revenue, we have a brand, and we have a community. So it's like, yes, we're in the right position. The anchor clips and everything are going to show that, like, why I need video editors and stuff. Like, I need people that are willing and ready to contribute. Oh, also the roll call will continue. If you didn't know, the other times I've pulled together a team for Blacklight Visions, it consisted of me going to every forum, group, platform, asking and recruiting. I'm gonna be doing that again, because I need the crack team. I need the team. I need the team. This is the part where I start recruiting members, like a retired leader assemb- assembling a crack team for their last mission and stuff. That's the vibe I'm on. Um, yeah, you have to. It's your reaction. It's your program reactions that hold you back. And yeah, y'all, I choose creation. Oh, I don't want to ramble. I'll keep it short. I choose creation over reaction, and it has changed my life. To rise above your competition with creativity is something I learned at like 17, 18 in college. Um, Rising above your competition, you can't beat that. But um, yeah, day 3, roll call, funnel, anchor clips. I need you. If you want to be part of it, let me know. Love y'all.